Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel quickly and easily. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods of removing spaces in Excel. The first is beneficial when you need to clean up numbers or blocks of text. The second is useful when you have two or more words that need to have the leading or trailing spaces removed, but you want to keep the space between the words. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Let's begin immediately by discussing the first technique for eliminating spaces and organizing the data in this table. If your data set only contains numbers or contains continuous blocks of text, it is most efficient to use the Find and Replace option to quickly and efficiently remove any unnecessary spaces. To use the Replace function, first go to the Home tab, then click on Find and select Replace. Alternatively, you can press the keyboard combination Ctrl +H to open the same window. Then, you need to enter two pieces of information in the two text fields. To start, we need to locate each space in the data table. To do this, we should enter a space character in the Find What field. To complete the task, enter the character that you would like to use instead of a space in the Replace with Text field. As we want to eliminate spaces, we will leave this field blank. This instruction tells Excel to remove any spaces it finds by replacing them with nothing. Once all the settings have been configured, click Replace All and all spaces will be taken out as necessary. Let us now examine the second approach. We will replace the existing sheets with a data table that contains texts composed of multiple words. In this case, we should only remove the extra spaces at the start and end of the phrase, as well as any excess spaces between words. We should make sure to keep a single space between each word. If we remove the spaces in the same manner as before, Excel will remove all the spaces in the table, which will cause the names and surnames to become combined. This is not the desired result. Let's undo the changes and take a look at another way to accurately remove the spaces. To accomplish this, we will employ the Trim function. To use the Trim function, click into cell C3 and enter the equal sign. Then type Trim, followed by brackets, and inside the brackets, type the cell address of the cell with spaces. In this example, it is B3. Once the brackets have been closed in cell B3, press Enter, and the process is complete. Any unnecessary spaces present in B3 will now be removed in cell C3. To copy the function, select the cell containing the function, then drag the bottom right-hand corner of the cell down the column. This will duplicate the function in the cells below. It is important to keep this in mind. If you move the data from column C to column B, the table will be left blank. The cause of this is straightforward. When copying in Excel, the formula itself is duplicated, not any values that the formula produces. Let's go back and review the procedure for copying the data in column B, so that the values are visible rather than the function. To start, we need to select the area that we want to copy. We can do this by right-clicking and choosing the Copy option. Instead of using the regular paste, we'll click on Paste at the top and choose Paste Values from the list of options. Excel will only paste the output of the Trim function that we previously entered, rather than the formula itself. By copying the values from column C and pasting them into column B, we can ensure that the correct data is displayed in column B and eliminate the need for column C. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch more video tutorials from Sheet Leveler. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.